It's always interesting when we get a little rain down at the boat ramps. We see that mad scramble of everybody trying to get back in. Everybody all of a sudden gets a little rushed and, well, madness occurs. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And our guys got it on after the little rain monsoon passed through, and it looks like we're going to go for the pullout. Let's see if he got it on there even. And it looks like he got it on there even, but they forgot to trim up the outdrive. Once again, anytime it rains, we see people starting to rush, and I think that's exactly what happened here. Our crew was just trying to get it loaded on the trailer fast, try and get out of here, and man, they just forgot. Let's see if it comes up clean. Sometimes when I'll see them do this, yeah, it looks like he's good. Sometimes it'll kind of get lodged in the concrete. So Wifey at the helm. Gonna try and bring her in on the dock for us. Looks like hubby's gonna try and give her some guidance. Heavy brake check. And I think hubby's gonna go kick her off the wheel. He's like, yeah, I think I got this one. I'm not gonna lie, that going back into forward gear, he's got a little heavy throttle hand as well. Hard brake check. But you can hear the wind rolling in the background. We've got a heavy wind and current today. Man, he's coming in hot. Our guy's not playing around. Lays that throttle in forward. Gonna swing it around pretty quickly. And try and get it lined up. I mean, both were a little bit throttle happy, trying to counteract the wind. Hopefully, as they approach the dock, that throttle happiness kind of calms down. So he's getting it brought around. Let's see if he can get it beside the dock. One of the tricks at this ramp, I don't want to call it a trick, but everybody wants to hit these concrete pilings because the gunnels of their boat are so much higher than the dock because it's a floating dock. They wind up hitting these first pilings here as they approach. Let's see if they're going to hit it or be able to hold off. Oh, bow's going toward it. But no, he lands it just before the piling. So our crew's going to go to one of the last docks down here on the end. And of course, we've got the trio death here that will obviously block our shot. But our crew's going to come back in. And let's see if they can get it landed on the dock. So it looks like we got somebody in the bow, probably with lines on the ready, but we do have the bow rail to contend with up there. Cap's coming in at a little bit of a funky angle. He's going to try and get it brought back around. Looks like he kindly hits the dock just lightly. Somebody pushed off the concrete pole in the back. Did our girl get off on the front, though? I can't. Yep, she's on the dock. She's going to tie it off, but the stern's kicking out. Kind of strange here, though, because the wind and current's going left or right across our screen. I'm shocked that it's kicking out against it. And our kid goes for the throw, chucks it right at mom. She misses. I'm wondering if this boat wasn't in gear in reverse. Cap was doing something up to the front, and all of a sudden now it's doing what it should be doing, going back to the dock. So our crew looks like they're about ready for the pullout. And no, we're going to get the spinning tires. I mean, this is a big boat, and it doesn't look like it's sitting 100% correctly on the trailer either. Probably not helping the case. So our guy's going to get out of the truck and take a look. I'm guessing he's probably going to see it's on its side a little bit. What's the plan here? We're going to get another running start and try and go at this, or is he going to try and leave it up here and go from here? Oh, no, he's out of the car. Oh, he's putting cheat mode on. I think he just went and locked the hubs. And I thought we were going to have him stuck up here for a minute, but I guess this is the advantage, guys. So if you're ever questioning four-wheel drive, if you like to boat, it might be a game changer, because right here, typically we'd see these guys here for 20 minutes bouncing on the rear of the truck. Don't be these guys. So right now, they are about 10 minutes in on this one, trying to make a repair on the boat here on the dock. Just go back to the staging area and do it there. These guys, I mean, it's insane that they're just sitting here doing this. And guys, they sit here and do it for almost 20 minutes. We're going to fast forward through this. And we're about as far over as we can get on this shot, getting the tree out of the way, the old shot blocker itself. But Cap's pulling up. I can't tell if it's wifey or daughter in the bow of the boat. Gonna go for the assist. And he gets close. He's telling her go ahead and just go for the toss, get it on. And I think we got the first toss, but it looks like a miss, and they're coming off. And Cap's going to have to back out on that one. The wind and current's just been nasty down here today, blowing everybody off, coming from the left to the right. And our crew's going to pull out. They're awfully close to the side. They're going to go over the curb. My man, he's straight going 4x4 off-road with the trailer right over the curb. But it looks like they'll get it up and out of here, and they'll be able to get on their way. And man, that was close. You never know what's going to happen when they roll over the curb like that. We've seen some nastiness where some of these trailers have broke, but our crew will be good to go, and they'll be on their way out of here. And speaking of being on their way out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Rams. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.